Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into five of the most mysterious scientific puzzles that no one's solved yet. From cosmic enigmas that twist your brain to secrets hidden inside us, these questions are so wild you won't be able to look away. Ready to explore this mind-bending journey with me? Let's get started. What is dark matter? First up, imagine this. Most of our universe is made of something we can't see, hear, or touch. Scientists estimate that 27% of the cosmos's mass and energy is dark matter. If you split the universe into four parts, one huge chunk is just dark matter. Why is it a big deal? Because without its gravity, galaxies couldn't form, and stars wouldn't stick together. For example, take the Milky Way. Its stars spin around the center so fast that, with only normal matter like stars and planets, it should rip apart. But an invisible force, like a giant cosmic web, holds it all in place. Scientists have used tools, like the Hubble telescope, and deep underground labs to hunt for dark matter particles. But they've come up empty. One theory suggests it's made of particles called weakly interacting massive particles that don't interact with light. Still, no proof yet. Why do we dream? Every night when you hit the pillow, your brain turns into a movie studio. One night you might be hunting treasure in a jungle, the next sipping tea with an alien. But what's the purpose? Scientists have some guesses. One idea is that dreaming acts like a mental vacuum cleaner, keeping important memories and tossing out the junk. Another theory says dreams are like a virtual reality simulator, prepping us for real-life challenges. Picture this. You dream you're taking a test and forget everything. Maybe your brain's teaching you how to stay calm under pressure. But why are some dreams so bizarre? Like, I once dreamed I was riding a unicorn through a floating city. Some think these weird dreams are the brain testing its creativity. Brain scans show that during sleep, emotional and creative areas light up like crazy. But no one knows exactly why this happens. What's the strangest dream you've ever had? Where did intelligence come from? How did intelligence begin? We humans see ourselves as the kings of thought and innovation. We build bridges, compose symphonies, and even create robots to do our chores. But how did this start? Scientists say millions of years ago, brains began evolving and growing. The modern human brain is 3 times bigger than that of our ancestors, like Homo habilis, who lived 2 million years ago. But it's not just size. It's the complex wiring inside that makes us unique. Here's an example. Chimpanzees can use a stick to catch ants, but they'll never draw a city map or solve a math equation. Scientists think maybe genetic mutations in our DNA, or the need to hunt and live in groups, pushed our brains to get smarter. One cool theory says cooking food with fire gave us extra energy to grow bigger brains. But when was that exact moment intelligence sparked? Did an ancient ape one day wonder, who am I? And change everything? We don't know yet. What do you think made us so clever? What was before the Big Bang? About 13 billion years ago, a massive explosion called the Big Bang kicked off everything. In a split second, the entire universe, stars, planets, galaxies, burst from a point smaller than an atom. But what was there before? Scientists say since time and space began with the Big Bang, asking what came before might be meaningless, like asking, what's north of the North Pole? But that doesn't sit right with everyone. For instance, one theory suggests there was another universe before ours that collapsed, and then exploded again, like a pulsing heartbeat. Another idea is that the Big Bang was just one of countless parallel universes, like bubbles in a vast ocean. Scientists have used complex math and telescopes like Planck to search for clues, but there's no direct evidence. Even Stephen Hawking said pondering before the Big Bang is like guessing a riddle with no hints. This one's so deep it locks up your brain. What do you think was there before it all? How did life begin? 4 billion years ago, Earth was a scorching, lifeless rock with volcanoes and boiling oceans. Then, out of this chaos, life appeared. How? Scientists call it abiogenesis, life emerging from non-living stuff. Imagine a chemical soup full of simple molecules in Earth's early oceans, slowly mixing until it formed the first living cell. Take the famous Miller experiment in 1952. Scientists mimicked ancient Earth conditions and used artificial lightning to create amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. But going from that to a self-replicating organism is still a giant mystery. One theory says lightning, or sunlight, sparked that soup into action. Another suggests life hitched a ride from space on meteorites carrying organic molecules. Some even think it began deep under the sea near hot vents. But that first spark, still unknown. How do you think life switched on? And there you go. 5 colossal scientific mysteries still shrouded in darkness. From dark matter keeping the cosmos together to the spark of life that brought us here. These questions prove the world's still full of puzzles, waiting to be solved. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering about the universe and take care.